Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to do just a little creativity, have a little fun. And that's what photography and Photoshop is all about. It's about actually being creative and having fun. So here's a shot that I took many years ago on the beach on the West Coast. And I was just walking along and I saw this mother and child here. She was spinning him around, and I saw the angle and I saw the sun, and I just, oh, perfect silhouette opportunity. So I went ahead and snapped that, and I captured it, and I really liked the shot. And I thought, this would make a really great poster. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with it. All right, so we've got a good silhouette going, and I'm going, yeah, it's not going to take much to do this. I do need to be creative in what I come up with. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to come up with a solid color adjustment layer for a background. And that's pretty good for there. Nice bluish teal. And I'm going to put that behind the picture there. For the picture, I want to make a duplicate of it. Command or Control J. Okay. And this way I'm going to overlay and clip some text. I envision nice bold text on this. All right, so the next thing I need to do is I need to position this graphic. So I'm going to use the Move tool, and I'm actually going to... What is wrong with this? Photoshop has been doing this. Okay. I'm moving it up and into the frame because I'm going for a particular effect here, you'll see. Alright, so I moved this one up a little to save myself time here. I'm just going to duplicate it the way it is. Alright, so now I'm looking at it and I'm going, okay, that's not looking too bad. Let me go ahead and bring a text layer in, and this picture just speaks to me living life. So I think that's what we're going to go with. Rather large text. And drag it into position. And it's not looking too bad. I'm going to move this one up over. And again, this is all about playing and creating. So I think I'm going to change this beach layer to color burn. Okay, and then I'm going to take this top layer for the beach and I'm going to convert it to a clipping mask. So right click, clipping mask. There we go. Now we've got the effect that I'm looking for. Little fine adjustment. not quite happy with the color. Let's see. Let's try this. One of my favorite colors I keep on file. Yeah. My good old standard here. 3F607C. One of my favorite colors I use in composites. And there we go. That's looking pretty good. Now, why did we do this? Just to have fun. That's all. Just to get creative. And you saw that realistically this image is nothing more than one image and one text layer. But it sure does look a lot more than that, doesn't it? When it's all combined. So, again, this is about showing you creativity is not hard. It's just being willing to play and experiment. So, hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.